that charm brings care? Do you think charm brings
I will
happiness?
judge him. I will judge him.
I know that you guys totally love our videos, but the problem is you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet. So do consider subscribing our YouTube channel as we upload the content that is going to help you in near future. Like, what is the goal that you want to achieve in your life?
Sir, I pursuing my life in as a cricketer.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I want to become a doctor,
Okay, what type of doctor you want to become?
neurosurgeon.
What type of cricketer you want to become? Like bowler, batsman?
Sir, as a wicket keeper batsman.
Okay, who is your idol in cricket?
Sir, MS Dhoni.
MS Dhoni is your
Yes,
idol. Why?
yes, sir.
What are the three qualities in MS Dhoni that
Sir,
you think?
because he's very fast.
What are
Sir-
the three qualities you
Yes.
see in MS Dhoni that you became a fan of him?
Sir, because his decision making ability is very strong. First, and second, he is very faster
In wicket keeping.
In wicket keeping, and also batting at any number position, he bats very well.
Very good, Shivam. Okay, so Shivi, what kind of doctor you want to become? Like
I want to become a neurosurgeon
neurosurgeon? Why?
because
Don't you think neurosurgery is the most difficult surgery in the field
that's
of
why I
medical?
chose neurosurgeon. I
Okay.
want to challenge my abilities that I
But
can
you think
do it
that
or not.
but don't you think the percentage of the patients
Bad a lot. I
it's-
know this, but I want to see the happiness when I will save the patient, the faces of their parents.
that's the most critical surgery, like critically it's
Yep.
very tough, don't you think?
Yeah, I know this, but this is my dream, and I just want to achieve. That's it.
Okay, Shivam, like don't you think that being an Indian cricketer, like if you want to become an Indian cricketer, it is really a tough task,
Yes,
because
sir.
there are only 11 players that are playing, and there are crores of students
Yes, sir.
or the children who wants to just go and work as a cricketer, but the field is the playing field requires only 11 players,
Yes, sir.
or 15 players or 20 players or 30, maximum 100 players. Don't you think the percentage of getting selected is less than 1%?
Yes, obviously.
So
But I believe in myself, and obviously I work hard for cricket. About practice about 3 or 4 hours and fitness, and I pursuing my career in as cricketer, and because sir, I love cricket. I watch cricket. I play cricket every matlab,
okay,
means
okay,
in
Shivam,
evening.
that's a very critical question I'm going to ask. Like what if one day, like best of luck to you, you can become a
Thank you,
cricketer, but what if one day your dream shatters and you cannot become a cricketer? What will be your first step? See, sportsmanship means not only being a cricketer.
Yes, sir.
Sportsmanship gives you a brain also to
Yes,
work
sir.
and give hard work to the
Yes, sir.
things in life. So don't you think that what is the thing that is your second option in your life?
Sir, as a second option, I will choose a government job, because my parents are very happy for that.
Why don't you choose any other game?
Sir,
Like, you're a sportsman, you're an athlete, you can go into any game and do your best. Why are you not going to choose
no,
any
sir,
other
because
game?
I want a cricketer mainly.
Okay, no
but-
no other game. Like you can
No, sir, no other
do
game.
good in football, you can
No,
do
no,
good in
no, sir.
badminton,
No, I don't play any other game.
but you can do good. You are an athlete, you can run fast.
Yes,
you
sir,
might
but-
run fast.
Yes, sir.
So, why don't any other game? Why don't you choose any other game
But sir,
in your
my-
second option?
My mindset is not there. As a choose as a other game, so I will be a future cricketer also.
Okay, Shivi, tell me, what is the definition of friendship according to you? Like, what is a real friend? Like, there are friends who just talk very nice in front of you, but they are not that good. They like backbite you. They just speak whatever they want behind the back of yours. So, what is the definition of being a real friend? What is a real friend?
According to me, a real friend is like who just happy in my happiness, and when I am wrong, he should beat me or she should beat me when I'm going on wrong path. Because only the real friend, real friend, can do this. Or other will do bad bitching and like this. Or matlab, I
Okay,
mean,
Shivi, like one day, what is the definition of love according to you? What is the definition of love? How can you say that you fell in love with someone?
According to me, I never fell in love with someone.
But what is the definition of love? Like you have imagined something in your life, like this is the love.
According to me, it's like having Prince Charming and give me love and happiness.
Okay,
and
okay. Do you think that being charming means real love? Like the guy should be real charming.
He should care about me. He should respect
But you said
me.
he should be Prince Charming. Do you think that charm brings care? Do you think charm brings
I will
happiness?
judge him. I will judge him.
You'll judge him? Judging is nice.
According to me, it is nice.
To judge a guy.
Yeah, it is nice.
What is the meaning of love according to you? How can you have a girlfriend?
No, sir.
You like someone?
No, sir.
No. What is the definition of love? You just focus on cricket. You like cricket only. Do you have interest in girls?
No, sir. Sir,
You have interest in girls? You like girls?
yes, sir.
Okay. So like, what is the definition of love? अबे हमारी तरफ भी घुमा लो बोल रहे
Sir,
हैं.
the curiosity
What
to
is
know
the-
her and
What is the definition of love according to you?
sorry, sir.
Huh?
Sorry.
No definition?
No, sir.
Acha, how can you say that you fell in love with someone? Like, how can you say that you like a person? Give me the 4 things that you like in a person. The first 4 things that you see in a person.
Sir, anything. Yes.
First 4 things that you see in a person.
He should respect me. He should respect my parents, and he should care about me, my feelings, and